Vandals have been making their way through the Elm Grove area, slashing residents' tires. Now everyone from the police to the local tire service to residents are fed up. This isn't the first time the Sycamore Avenue neighborhood has been attacked. Take a look at this video we showed you just a couple of months ago. As you can see, vandals slashed the sides of 28 vehicles, causing thousands of dollars worth of damage. And last night's incident led to yet another expensive trip to the tire dealer for one Elm Grove couple.
Today was $1,400 worth of damage, and it's ridiculous, and we need it to end.
Chris Horn lives with his girlfriend on Sycamore Avenue, where vandals slashed their tires early this morning. It's troubling for the Elm Grove neighborhood, where residents say they take pride in their property. They say they're sick of spending money on something so senseless.
You put a lot of money into your house and into your property, into your vehicles, and you don't want to, every 2-3 months put $1,500 into new sets of tires.
Police say they're doing their best to catch whoever is doing this as quickly as possible. They are looking at surveillance video from the last time the vandals struck in hopes of finding the vandals.
We have some information from some of the neighbors that may point to one individual. We are working hard to try to confirm that information. However, it's a very difficult crime to prove and prosecute, but we are working on it.
Officials we spoke to say once damage is done, residents have no choice but to buy brand new tires.
When you get a sidewall, it's irreplaceable, irreparable, because the sidewall isn't meant to handle any of the pressure that the tread is directly on the road surface.
In Steubenville, I'm Courtney Crown for News 9 Tonight.